When I first started Esperanza, I spent a lot of time in the waiting room talking to people, and I said, why do you come to Esperanza? ¿Por qué vienes a Esperanza? Y me dicen, porque me siento en casa aquí. I feel at home here. And that is really the number one message that we're trying to get across. Esperanza is about hope. It's about home. It's about family. It's about helping people live their dreams by giving them health, which is probably the most important gift you can give somebody in order to achieve everything that they want to achieve.
I'm especially grateful to Esperanza's commitment to offering bilingual and bicultural healthcare, which makes a real difference for our Latino communities. And I want to thank specifically the Center for Older Adults, being a member of that class now, which will allow abuelos and abuelas in our community to have access to the specialists that they need. It's about time, and it's here.
And the fact that that was one of the main reasons of this building really brings such esperanza, such hope to the southwest side of Chicago, because we know that anyone from a 1-month-old to somebody well into their 80s, 90s has a home and sees themselves reflected in Esperanza.
I want to note that the annex is among 23 projects that were funded citywide and announced in May of 2022 as recovery grant winners. And it's the very first project to complete construction and open its doors. That's how you get it done.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to the healthcare workers, administrators, community leaders, and volunteers who have made Esperanza Health a reality. I have complete faith that Esperanza will continue to provide high-quality care to our friends, families, and our community.
Como concejal, quiero reiterar mi compromiso de mejorar la igualdad en salud en áreas que no reciben apoyo frecuentemente. Quiero reconocer todo el esfuerzo que requirió este proyecto. Gracias a todo el personal de Esperanza, los patrocinadores y los residentes de esta comunidad por confiar en este proyecto. Muchísimas gracias.